If you stop working today, how long can you survive on your remaining savings? Robert Kiyosaki, an American businessman, investor, author, financial commentator, and motivational speaker. He describes the concept of how he became rich in his bestseller, Rich Dad vs. Poor Dad. One day Robert asks his father,
"Dad, can you tell me how to get rich?"
His dad's answer was the same as many other struggling dads have. He said, "Use your head, son, work hard in your school, get good grades so you could find a safe and secure job in the future." His dad here can be referred as a poor dad. Actually, his dad was not very poor at that time, he was making good money, but suddenly his financial life takes a very wrong turn. Robert had a friend named Mike, and here Mike's father is referred as a rich dad. He started teaching Mike and Robert how to actually become rich. The rich dad was not so rich at that time, but he became a very wealthy man in some time. So what actually the rich dad did? Rich Dad taught the kids some very important rules to become financially successful. The most important principle is that you should know the difference between asset and liability. If you want to get rich, you have to acquire more assets and get rid of liabilities as much you can. Rich people acquire assets and poor people acquire liabilities which they think are assets. The major problem due to which people struggle financially is that they do not know the difference between assets and liabilities. Here is the correct answer to this: an asset is something that adds money to your pocket, and a liability is something that takes money out of your pocket. Let us understand it more clearly through a cash flow pattern of a normal person. A normal person earns his income through his job or a small individual business, and does his expenses on things like family, food, clothes, entertainment, and traveling. His expenses are exactly equal to his income, and he also does not own any assets which provide him more extra income. That's why he does not have any income or cash available to acquire more profitable assets, but he does have more liabilities like mortgages, taxes, loans, credit cards, and his own house, which continuously keep taking money out of his cash flow. On the other hand, rich people continuously try to acquire assets that add more and more passive income to their cash flow instead of only depending on the income from their regular job or business. Passive income is something that earns money and does not require your work and time for it. If you have a source of passive income, that means you are earning money even if you are sleeping. Passive income examples can be real estate income and rents, mutual funds, bonds, stocks, and anything else that increases your income without having you spend your time and efforts on it. That was the major reason that the poor dad gets poor, because his income was equal to his expenses, and his assets were lesser than his liabilities. On the other hand, rich dad gets rich because he invested his life in making good investments and increasing his assets from his liabilities. The people who got rich in life do not fear losing, they make bold decisions and face their consequences, which makes them stronger in life. Apply these principles in your life and try to be a very rich dad to your kids. If you like this video, subscribe to my channel and comment below. See you till the next time.